we just completed the 199th workout that I presented here at JNLVIP.com. This was our workout today. Yes, it looks like a mad scientist like Einstein got in and did some E equals MC squared, energy equals motivation squared, people, with confidence. It was an amazing workout. It's called Falling Leaves, Falling Pounds, Falling Pants. And I want you to break out the pants you want to fit back into. I want you to measure your waistline. I want you to keep track of your progress because we are getting results. We did a bunch of upper body moves. We did a V shredder. We did a deep squat landmine right here. And there are no excuses. I mean, we did a mashup in circuit number 3 just for the waistline, just to cinch in the core, so then you get more of a bubbled out booty symmetry, because the smaller you look here, the bigger you're gonna look here. So I'm hitting your shoulders, your lats, whittled the waistline, and then we did a lot of squats and legs and abs. So complete total workout within right at an hour. So your hour is just 4% of the day, but it transforms the rest of your day, and boy, am I a sweaty mess. So my goals for you as your coach are to take your measurements around your waistline, and this is so tight, I gotta let it out. Sometimes I get a little headache from it. I want you to take your measurements. Oh, there we go, much better. I want you to take your measurements, and I want you to keep track, okay? And I want you to put on that VIP power. And I love you guys. Have a great day. I'm gonna go shower because I'm a sweaty mess. But keep that positive energy on high, and I believe in you. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for our deep detox, sexy sculpt and stretch. Bye guys. And look, I'm already having pant problems. Woo!